It is Monday morning. Remember this Volvo we did the flip on? It is in. I'm going to wash the engine bay now. It's one of the injectors he's decided to have a wean session, so that's leaking. So we're going to wash the top of the rocker cover off, get the rocker cover off because it's sealing between the injectors, and hopefully all the injectors will come off. It's nice and early, and I'm about to put the Turbo K battery on charge because we might be off on another track day. Put it inside, got it washed off. So big job. If you know nothing about this channel, we are a YouTube project channel, right? And we have loads of projects going on. But with COVID and everything and everything that went on, money's tight and we're a garage day to day. So the content we're doing is called A Week in Shine, which is what we get up to during the week. So you still got content. I've got loads of pre-recorded stuff that I'm editing and getting through at the moment. So there's loads of stuff on the channel. We're a little bit of a Fruit Loop. Well, I'm definitely a Fruit Loop. So yeah, let's just crack on with Monday's work. Very nice. I've got all the injectors out and we're about to just cut new seats for the new washers. So these are the washers that we've removed. So there they are. They're a nightmare to get out. You just have to tap a screwdriver in the middle of them gently to get a grip of them to wiggle them out. You have to be really careful what you're doing. Like, you don't want to split one in half and drop it down inside. But yeah, they've just been leaking. I'm just tired. So new seals going in, new washers, reseated, just like that. And all that basically does is like that. It just cuts a new seat. Lovely. Nice mucky job for a Monday morning. Wiggle it just a little bit. Right, that is them all in, so we'll leave that a little bit and then we'll start it up shortly. Have a coffee and then make sure she's alright. Tickety boo. Into the afternoon, the XC90 is fixed and Sam is just giving the ramp a service up and putting a new cable in. And then the ramp guys comes and checks it over and signs it off, just like that. It's early on Tuesday, right, and I forgot to film, as always. We've just put some suspension on that VXR, right? I've already done that, because I forgot about that. Got Mazda up there for a polish and to paint a wing mirror, and we've got this Range Rover here. Is it a Range Rover Discovery, whatever, this posh thing that posh people have here? He's having the service disc pads as well on the front, because it's got a vibration when you brake, so yeah, it's very posh in here, isn't it? Oh, look at me, I'm very posh. So this is my mate James's car, that's why I'm saying it. Swollen wheel nuts by any chance?
Yeah, 4 years left.
Yeah, nightmare for these. Every Land Rover we work on, Range Rover, the sockets, the nuts swell up.
Because it's Ford.
Because it's Ford, exactly. Minging! Brand new! Having a fresh drink. Hooligan.
Where's the dipstick?
Right there.
Where is it?
It doesn't have one.
How much oil did you say?
Sensors. This, it holds 7.5 litres.
Is it?
Yeah.
Definitely?
I wouldn't have a clue.
Did you not measure it when you took it out?
Yeah, of course I measured it.
What, you got your torch on for? Is it dark?
No, it's just to illuminate your lovely blue eyes.
Oh, honey.
Oh man, no way man, I'm trying to do some filming, you've covered me. Right, it's had brand new distant pads fitted, it's had a service, the filter, which I didn't do in a bit of the filter, and look what it's done to my knees. Look at my poor legs, I've been Lewised. And the filter is really damp, just like minging. Been well due a service, I've got one little job left to do, because I believe this has just been purchased out the auction. And it doesn't look too bad, just the auction number there. So I'll give that a clean off and that's it, done. Posh motor that, James, eh? Going up in the world there, lad, aren't you, from your chip shop?
Don't point that thing at me. What thing at you? Fell off.
Alright, mate.
Alright.
Nice there, nice top there.
Don't point that thing at me.
Why?
Ever seen Mickey Flanagan?
The name sounds familiar.
Oh, have you got Roland with you?
Little dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably eating some more.
Oh, it's little Dotty.
Just eating an orange.
Hello, little Dotty. Hello, Dotty. Hello, Dotty. Hello, Dotty. We come for today, John?
What is it?
What here?
Bad boy.
This
big
is
boy,
bad boy, plastic filler, and who makes it?
The big boys. The big boys make it.
Silverhook make that, and they're massive supporter of the channel. Silverhook, right there, and made in England. There you go.
Oh, there's
their logo.
Silverhook, the best in the business.
The best in the business. That's it, John.
Where's that nice little dog got?
That nice little dog's turned into a horrible little Dotty.
Vicious, isn't it? Bites now, like, so I'd watch it. It just looks like another bear.
Yeah, I was thinking that. There's your filler. Let's just send that out, which we're going to do a review on. Key programmer by our friends.
Top.
The Ninja 1000. That is some bit of kit, that, mate.
The Ninja.
That is some bit of kit. What? Yeah, boy. Got the VXR back on.
On it.
Because we decided it's having some pads. So it's having some pads, some nice EBC pads, some racing pads, nice. All getting nicely wrapped up. Nice. Now I'm doing the Denison pads because the discs aren't very clever. So we did do the suspension because they were knackered and just replaced it for another second-hand set that they've got. But when we were looking at the brakes, weren't very good. He rang up to give them a quote, and while the car's here, it's getting done, so we're doing the brakes now as well. VX, a nice white colour. It is Wednesday, and I am washing this car down because I'm going to give the machine polish a dust down. I haven't done any balloting for a while. I'm going to get it machine polished up, get some light scratches off. It's one of my mates, he's got it up for sale, so I'm going to spend the day on it, get it minted up, and I've got a wing mirror to paint. Can you guess which side wing mirror it is? Yeah, so that's my job today. There's a load of fine scratches on it, so I'll get it sorted out, get it washed down, acid the wheels up. Get really good, nice and clean. I'm just doing the outside, he's doing the inside. And I'll get all the wheels clean, all up in the wheel arches, get everything dressed up and tidied up. It's a nice, steady Wednesday for me today, which I'm quite happy about. Because I was in late in the workshop last night doing another video and doing tonight's upload, which is a week in shine. There we go. I'm sorting out the Patreon account. If you didn't know, we had a Patreon account. If you want to help the channel so we can spend more time, I'd love a good Patreon thing. So yeah, links down below for that. Bang as a mesh. I don't know. Show us the cash. I don't have a clue. Go and do lally. Go and do lally. You're getting very odd in your old age, Dad. That's later on in the day. There's that wing mirror painted. She's not looking too bad. Not bad for a Mazda, because Mazda are known for not having brilliant paintwork. But I've got all the scratches out, and that's going to be nice. Hey Dad, give me that bit of toast. Okay, thank you, Dad. It's been a proper long Wednesday, like. I was meant to get the Turbo K ready today, but I had too much to do, and my back's been twinging, so I never did it. Thursday, I'm in the woods. Where am I? What woods am I in? Eh? Can anyone guess what woods I'm in for Thursday? Eh? I've got helmet hair. Eh? Just be careful how we say that. And I'm feeling fat again because I've been in the Burton Powers car Fiesta and I struggle to get in it because I need to lose some weight. It's getting out of control this now, like. So I'm going to start making sure I'm going to diet now. Yeah, so I'm at a Burton Power track day. Compliments of Burton Power. So yeah, it's wicked. As always, big respect. Check out Burton Power's link down below. They do track days cheap and affordable for all of you. And I'm dead wobbly because I'm holding a can of pop, trying to walk at the same time. It is nuts that there, 1 litre EcoBoost engine with a turbo on, or whatever they call them, that's pushing out 170 brake horsepower. That is bonkers. That there, my 2 litre, has the same brake horsepower. That is a 1 litre pushing out the same brake horsepower, and I dare say that's probably quicker. Bonkers. Took it round the track, the Mazda, only for 5 laps. It's my baby, but just to see what it would be like round the track. Unbelievably good, unbelievably good. And I think I've made myself clear now that I don't want to modify it at all. I just want to keep it standard and keep it as pristine standard as I can for as long as I can. I think it's right. Someone put in the comment section below that I shouldn't modify it, and they're probably right in saying that, because it's a proper unmodified kendo, or kendo, however you say it. I like to say kendo, apart from the badges that are being nicked. Right, I know you all like transits, right? This is Burton Power's transit, right? Yeah. This chassis, right? This is an X-Reg, and it's never had any paint. And look at this. I've got a little stiffy. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at the back of the cab. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. That is bonkers. It's got a nice chassis. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at that. Look at that for a transit. It's like brand new. You eat dinner off it. Look at it. Look at the back of the cab. This is an X-Reg. And our old one compared to this is a Robbo. It's unbelievable. Just look at them steps. Look at them arches. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Is there even a bleb on there? Oh, look at it. Just starting. That's bonkers. X-Reg transit. It's Friday, and we're not doing a YouTube day today. I maybe do a little bit in Sam's van later on for the Car Audio Centre. But work's come in. A few jobs have come in, so we've got to do the jobs. You know, we've got to make the money. So we've got this in Monday in for a shocker, and then there was a Suzuki coming in, and there's something else coming in. I can't remember. You'll just find out as the day goes on. Because it is Friday and then it's a weekend, but I've got to make a video for Sunday and I'm not sure what I'm going to make yet because we've got loads of half-filmed videos. So I'm going to have to pick some and it's going to have to be a 2-part series. And there's a photo tile falling down. Where's that gone? Oh, there's 2 about to fall down. Where's that gone? Oh, we had a crash. Oh, it doesn't really matter with that one. Right, yeah, photo tiles need fixing. Oh, there's a few falling down. We're having a photo tile falling down. Nightmare. Where is he? Come on, come on. The shocker has just turned up. That's shocking. And Sam's going to go fit that on that Mondeo now. And I'm chatting with Mark. Right, it's just before lunch on the Friday. And I am in a little Suzuki, little 4x4 Suzuki, going to MOT. Sam's putting that shocker on that Mondeo. So let's see what the little Suzuki brings. It's driving very well, but they can all drive well. It depends what it's like underneath, because we haven't had time to get this on the ramp and check it over. So she's going to MOT blind. So fingers crossed for the customer it passes, but fingers crossed it fails for us so we can get some work off it, if that makes sense. Not that we want it to fail, but if it fails we get the work. That's how the business goes, you know. We fix the car so it'll go through an MOT. That just might be a load of bit of jargon, but that's a nice little waffle. Yeah, I'm on my way back with a Suzuki that has passed its test. So good for the customer. They're going to be over the moon that their little car has passed its test without a single advisory. So I'm going to go back because it's Friday and it is nearly 1 o'clock. And I know Sam is itching for his fish and chips and I'm itching for my fish and chips. So I'm going to go get some fish and chips and then we'll be back on to Monday.